Today we are going to practice sectional breathing, which is the three stages of breathing. One is abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing and clavicular breathing. So before we are going to practice, please, if you're not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel at the bottom. So let's move to the practice. The first one is abdominal breathing, which is you're breathing only inside of should go to abdominal, bulging abdominal and going outside. Both the hands should be chin mudra, tip of the thumb and forefinger has to touch each other, and both the hands should be on our knees. And inhale, take a deep inhalation, bulge your abdomen, and while exhaling, abdomen is going out inside. This is abdominal breathing. And thoracic breathing, your abdomen should not move and your chest region has to move, expanding and going inside. For this one, both the hands should be in a chinmaya mudra. Three fingers, your little finger, ring finger and middle finger has to fold it, and both the thumb and forefinger tip has to touch each other. Here, your thoracic breathing, while inhale, your chest is expanding, while exhale, so bulging inside. So this is one round of practice. And clavicular breathing, as to Adi Mudra, your thumb has to fold it inside both the thumb, and you fold other four fingers on top of thumb. Both the hands should be on your knees. So here your abdomen and chest is not, there is no movement for these two regions, and your shoulder has to move up and down. Take a deep inhalation, exhale, chest is not moving, only shoulder is moving up and down. Make sure you're sitting in a meditative posture, your spine erected, and you're only breathing through nostrils. This is sectional breathing. Make sure this has to be practiced at least 12 rounds a day. Thank you very much. Hari Om.